E kansila lo Ngora Siki Patrick Auria Ajebi yes abala e koto SCDO William Opolot e jula ke Eswamae ke ara imam Ecuriar.
Ichi bala da kana kito office sira da kana na da kana. Office SCDO. Akola ba ibule ni ru anapo. Ilele bi files office ngoni. Ai meda, you would be meda tare to ilele ba si files office to. Wo sini be ja kapili SCDO yare. Ije office je ja ilo SCDO. Waka pe kansela. Anye nga tiorusu nenja ya kota nga ilipi le tem. Oya nge report odisu kebe. Mambele silo sa chamana re CDO.
One time I warned the CDO that I'm going to lock your office. Why? Mama nga kota tongana nde losi ka ke losi etaki. You see him passing this way, he's coming from this side. And I've warned the CDO several times. Alemare office or reke. Mamu se pupi. So all those allegations could be right. Nara nyobo Eswamae office. That's what more reke.
Explain to the SARS that as we speak right now, Omito has already received another fund under PWD grant. Now, if we again get among the two groups who have identified, and one group is falling again on Omito, why don't we give another community also? So that's where my grudge started with Mr. Ngora. He agreed with me to make those changes, but when he went out, he spread the propaganda. And he's commanding the technical team, not like a councillor who's supposed to oversee. Maybe councillor has to reform him to know the work of the councillor.
That in the event that this practice is going, I want to warn the whole of community department to desist from such characters because they are not meant for the current public service.
E kansila loitela karuke Richard Kadit yes etoronarit Eswamae ke elosisiri Sam ebiao ebe emunara koroti ni noi.
When I try I consulting a theory to sell it. Do me so many products are parallel to the theory. That job not done the other one. Because the other one is over 20 years mama so matter.
A projects lo na show me na kere. E kansila so lo tetia lo apona. Mama is proving at us the projects. You know, a council die la le proving it. Yes ata ote ai gwana kini e projects hulu abortion won. Abuti do kwa ningo kape chama na lo sesere to implement.
Arai kotoni aduku nukapiri na joko na ija apolo. Kede okitungo kwa pa down. Ikotoni boreni tutubo na council. Ibwe ikine tone to maso misoid.
Kanu TV East, Tolbate Date, Otem Kapir Ngora District.